Chandler Laundry Room Remodeling. Looking to revamp your outdated or impractical laundry room? We can help you rediscover the energy and excitement that often lies dormant within the chore of doing laundry. A laundry room renovation will make doing laundry easier and more enjoyable. We will help you improve the functionality, storage, and design of your laundry room. Schedule your complimentary phone consultation today. Upgrade your laundry day with our laundry room remodeling services in Chandler. Upgrade your laundry day with our outstanding services for your laundry room remodeling in Chandler. Our expert team specializes in transforming ordinary laundry spaces into extraordinary havens that will revolutionize how you approach laundry. We work closely with you to create a space that meets your functional needs and reflects your unique style and personality. From lighting and color schemes to storage solutions and appliances, every detail is carefully considered to make your laundry room a delightful and visually stunning area in your home. We optimize functionality and efficiency, providing ample storage space, efficient organization systems, and ergonomic design elements. Whether you need additional shelving or a dedicated folding station, we tailor the space to suit your needs. Contact us today to explore our laundry room remodeling services in Chandler. Let us create a space that combines functionality, style, and the perfect accents to make your laundry day truly amazing. Get ready to transform your laundry experience with our exceptional services. How much does a laundry room makeover cost? The cost of a laundry room remodel can vary depending on the extent of the upgrades. For basic laundry remodels, the starting price is typically around $5,000, but it can range up to $30,000 depending on your specific requirements. On average, most laundry room remodels fall within the $15,000 to $20,000 price range. The cost may be slightly higher if you opt for high-quality finishes. At Phoenix Home Remodeling, we ensure transparency and accuracy in our pricing. We utilize a comprehensive cost catalog and have an in-house estimator, so you can have peace of mind knowing that there won't be any major surprises and your investment will be well spent. Our team takes pride in delivering superior workmanship that pays attention to detail. Thank you for watching this video. Our team at Phoenix Home Remodeling will take great care of you and your home. If you are interested in remodeling, our telephone number is 602-492-8205. You can also visit us online at phxhomeremodeling.com.